Today's tip for you if you're trying to improve your health behaviors is the Q and quality in our FAQs of behavior change. So if you're trying to improve a health behavior, a tip for you is to replace it with something else. Something that's quality rather than quantity, for example. So as an example, if you're trying to stop eating chocolate, don't just cut it out altogether, but replace your bar of milk chocolate with a small amount of a dark chocolate. You still get the chocolate, but it's not as bad as the other option from a sugar perspective. One of the key things with looking at something that's quality as well is to connect with that feeling of quality. Savor it. You know, when you go to a restaurant and you get small amounts of a delicious food on a big plate, we end up full anyway because we spend time saving